Hello everyone, welcome to the part 1 and part 2 combined video demo for our project 3. My name is Harsh, I'm from group 6 and our project is about recognizing hand signals through video. And for part 1 we have done our LSTM training. As you can see over here, we have executed the required Python code on Jupyter Notebook. In this part, as you can see, we've used TensorFlow 1.14 and enabled eager execution explicitly, and given the path of our dataset, which we created ourselves with the help of a few of our friends even. And over here you can see that the videos or the dataset that we had created is being fed to the system, to the code, and we are training our model on the basis of it. In the feature extraction part, as you can see over here, we executed the code, and this is our model summary. As you can see, this is where we've converted the saved model file to a TF-Lite and saved it. And this is where it takes a whole lot of time. It took about 2 hours, as you can see in the timestamps. And after this was done, we run the model for training, and that took approximately 6 hours. We are doing that over here. This is the training list and the test list that we generated for our dataset, and this is where the big amount of time was invested. As you can see, we ran it for 100 epochs and saved it to an H5 file over here, and this was then further used to execute the batch prediction and part 4 of our project. Thank you very much.